Hello everyone, how are you? Today I will introduce our eyelash extensions and the accessories. For our eyelash extensions, we have different kinds, and we do B, C, D, G, L curls as need, and we do mixed length and single length. Kindly see, this is 0.15 mixed length, and we print the logo as customer need, and this one is 16 lines per tree mixed length. We can write each length on the box, so when customers need, it's very easy to know which length is. And this is DD mixed length. This DD is very curl, and we can do the cursive as customers need. For our eyelash extensions, we use the highest quality Korean PBT materials, and our curl can last more than 1 year. It's very good quality for ease for the salons, and many customers like our lashes. This is some of our stocks we make, and so when customers need, we can send them very fastly. And also, we do some accessories for the eyelash extensions. So, here you can purchase one step for all the products you need. Here is the lash plate, the air blute, and the mini brushes, and this is the mascara brushes, and we have different colors. And this is the cleaning brushes, and this is the tweezers. We have different kind, the volume ones, and different colors, the tape and the glue palette, and etc. And so here and all of them can do your own logo. Thank you. Any question, please contact me at my email info at eyelashes.com. Thank you.